Look at that, guys. Nice old car. Haven't seen one of these in years. There's an oldie. That thing's low. Low old Cadillac.
It's got all kinds of hot rod flathead stuff on it too.
Wow.
There you go, under there. Oh, there you are over there. That's a 54 pickup,
I like this.
a Chevelle convertible. GTO over there,
54. Wow, that's nice.
MG.
Mhm.
And this is a 30.
Look at this. This is a nice car, guys.
That's a Grand National. Nobody cares about that.
Chevelle convertible. Wow.
That's old school hot rod,
What year is this?
34.
34. Beautiful car.
It's an old 327 or 283.
Look at that, guys. Let me share this with you guys. This is pretty cool.
This is MG and nobody cares.
Look at that old car. That's an El Camino?
Yeah, it's 57.
57 Ranchero. Oh, that's nice.
Just junk. Like I said, you know, $80 a ton.
Right. Oh, yeah. That's a nice old car. Another GTO. This is what they look like when they have no motor in them. Okay, here you go. Right, Mark.
That's about it.
That is pretty cool. Hey, if you guys like what you see today, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your thumbs up, and ding the bell. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Oh yeah, handshake.